Hello guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a soft and tasty rice cake known as Mkate wa sinia in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Ingredients to make rice cake: you will need 2 cups of soaked overnight rice, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 cups of thick coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of cardamom, and 1 packet of yeast. I use this kind of cup to measure my rice, coconut milk, and sugar. In a large or a small blender like this, add a bit of the soaked rice in the blender. I will have to blend my rice 3 times because my blender is too small, as you can see in the video. Then you will add a half of the cardamom and a half packet of yeast, then the rest you will use the second time. Then you'll also add a half of the sugar and 1 cup of thick coconut milk and cover the blender to blend everything well. Then blend the rice for about 5 to 7 minutes, of course, not continuously. You have to blend while pausing till everything is well blended into a fine, smooth paste. Your mixture has to look like this. Make sure you don't feel any hard particles of the rice. It has to be smooth as possible, and when ready, pour in a bowl. Then stir your batter using a wooden spoon to make sure everything is well mixed. Then cover to let it rise for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. After 1 hour, your mixture should have risen. Then stir once more and pour into a baking pan. Grease the baking pan before putting the batter in. Then put in a preheated oven on a high heat about 350 degrees and bake for 5 minutes. And then reduce the heat to 180 degrees and bake for 35 minutes till the rice cake is well baked. And after 40 minutes, your rice cake should be ready. Remove from the oven and cover the cake so that the steam stays in the cake to make it more softer. And my soft rice cake is ready, as you can see in the video. I cut it into 2 so that you can be able to see how soft and tasty it looks. Serve on a plate and you can eat along with meat and tea and enjoy your rice cake. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes like this, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.